Everyone, how is it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how you can pay bills with MoneyGram, and this is extremely simple. At first, head over to moneygram.com, exactly at this website. And then at the top, you see there are a few options, and one of them is pay bills. Just click on pay bills. And then what you need to do is there's either a biller name, like let's say the name of your biller is Robert James, right? So you're going to search up Robert James, or if the name is too common of a name, what you're going to do is ask your biller for the receive code. It would be something like this, let's say. And then whatever it is, you just select that person and click on pay bill. And then as you can see, this is their location. So what is the amount that you need to pay? And then you're going to click on pay this biller, things like that. And then it's going to ask you, how do you want to pay it? So debit card, it all of these processes at minutes, things like that. And so, or credit card, or if you want them to be sent cash, but this is going to be at location. And I recommend you not doing it, just debit or credit card, and then click on next. And it's going to ask you for further more information. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.